Let me be very clear. I didn't need more motivation. I needed a new system. I was overweight, inflamed, exhausted, and dependent on medications. I had gout. I was staring down pre-diabetes and blood pressure pills. I had erectile dysfunction. And yes, I literally threw Viagra and the rest of my pills in the trash. Not because of a pill, not because of a shortcut, but because I rebuilt my life using a simple, repeatable lifestyle system. I lost close to 60 pounds. I rebuilt an athletic frame. I regained energy I hadn't felt since I was 18. I stepped away from chronic conditions and the constant cycle of blood work, refills, and medical bills. And that's why I built the Natural Life Reset Blueprint to lay out the exact structure I used: food, fasting, movement, daily inputs, systems that make health automatic instead of exhausting. This isn't a promise or a prescription, it's education. It's the system that gave me my freedom back. If you're done chasing fixes and ready to build something that actually works, get the blueprint.